Ibiza is one of the Balearic Islands located in the Mediterranean Sea, and it is part of Spain. Known for its vibrant nightlife, beautiful beaches, and stunning landscapes, Ibiza attracts a diverse array of visitors each year. Ibiza was first settled by the Phoenicians around 654 BC. They founded the city of Ibosim, modern-day Ibiza town, making it an important trading post. The 20th century saw the rise of tourism as the primary economic driver for Ibiza. In the 1960s and 1970s, the island became a popular destination for hippies, artists, and musicians, laying the foundation for its modern reputation as a party destination. The 1980s and 1990s cemented Ibiza's status as a global nightlife capital, with world-famous clubs and DJs establishing a vibrant electronic music scene. In 1999, Ibiza's biodiversity and culture were recognized by UNESCO, and several sites were designated as World Heritage Sites, including the historic Dalt Vila, the Phoenician settlement of Sacolata, and the SES Salines Natural Park. In recent years, there has been a growing emphasis on sustainable tourism and preserving the island's natural and cultural heritage. Efforts have been made to balance the island's development with environmental conservation. Ibiza's history is a testament to its resilience and ability to adapt through various periods of conquest, trade, and cultural exchange. Its rich historical tapestry adds depth to its modern identity as a vibrant and dynamic destination. As of the most recent estimates, the population of Ibiza is approximately 150,000 people. This figure can fluctuate, especially during the peak tourist season, when the number of visitors significantly increases. You can discover the natural beauty of Ibiza's beaches and coves. The island has some of Europe's most spectacular beaches, but it also houses a valuable natural heritage that makes them unique. In Ibiza, you can find white sandy beaches and crystal-clear waters, such as Cala Comte, Cala Bossa, or SES Salines. But there are also small coves surrounded by cliffs and plant life, such as Cala Hort and Cala Zaraka. But what makes these beaches and coves really special is their natural heritage. There are breathtaking views, unique ecosystems, and protected species. In SES Salines, you can see flamingos and migratory birds, while in Cala Hort you can admire the famous islet of Es Vidra, considered a sacred place by the island's ancient inhabitants. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about amazing places around the world.